Hello and welcome back. We are going to go into week 3 of physical therapy for lower back pain. And remember, with lower back pain, it is actually increasing your core strength that is going to offset the weaker parts of your lower back. So what I'm going to be using is one of these balls. If you don't have one, no problem at all. Just listen to my tips as we go through a few exercises.
Hi, I'm Ashley and I help you create healthy daily habits through clean eating and exercise. Head on over to my website for workouts and recipe ideas. Let's get started in a tabletop position. Kick that right leg back. Slowly you're going to lift it up to hip height. Now I want you to watch your hip. You want to keep it turned in, so you don't want your knee facing out to the side and you don't want your back dipping with the leg going higher than the hip. The goal here is to utilize that core, getting the pressure out of the lower back, pulling up that leg to your hip height and lower down. Let's lift up, keep that hip turned under and lower down. Bring your right knee in. Let's repeat on the left. Kicking back, keep that hip under, knee facing the mat, and lift it up to that hip height and lower down. Now, if you have a mirror, I highly recommend so you can see your alignment. And then your top half of your body, you just want to keep your hands underneath your shoulders, looking over your fingertips, breathing in and out. Lift the leg up, and let's pull the knee in. All right, you're going to kick your right leg back, lift it up, and now pull the knee in to meet the left. Repeat on the other side, left leg back, lift up, and then draw the knee under the hip to come back to the right knee. Let's do that again. And then pull the knee in. A little bit of a hold goes a long way. Controlling your breathing, utilizing that core, lifting and draw it in. All right, kick the right leg back, left arm front. Raise both at the same time. Don't worry about how high the leg and arm can go. I want them to lift at the same time and lower at the same time. Switch sides, left leg back, right arm up. Lift, keeping that hip turned under, knee facing the floor, and pull it in. Let's do that again. Lift at the same time. Control the movement coming back down. Left leg back, right arm front. Breathing in and release. Good job. Stretch, stretch, stretch that arm and the leg. Left leg back, lift, and then bring it down. Very good. Now, if you have one of these small silver sneaker bars, go ahead and use it. If not, you can put a pillow between your knees. You're going to lie on your back, put the ball between your knees, go into a tabletop position with your knees over your hips. Pull that tailbone under, tuck the pelvis, arms out, and then you are going to tilt your legs to the right and hold. Breathing, keep your left shoulder down, pull that core in, come center, and repeat on the other side. You're going to hold for 3 seconds and then bring it back over. So you may not even want to do this yet. You may just want to hold your legs in tabletop. Keeping your knees right over your hips is enough to work on your abs. And then you don't want your ankles to touch. Make sure that they stay separated. Everything is at hip distance apart. The knee is squeezing the ball. As you come to the right side, you pull that left shoulder down. Breathing out, breathe in, come up center, and go to the other side. Holding, right shoulder down, breathing out, pull it in. You are doing great. Make sure those knees are over those hips. Pull it out of the chest, tuck that tailbone under, keep that lower back on that mat. Keep it up. We are almost done with floor work. All right, now you're going to use a resistance band. You can either pull this on a bar if you have it at home or anywhere like your staircase. And you're going to tie the one end and then you're going to walk away, stepping 2 times, stretch the band out and in. So squat down, step, step. Now feel that resistance, pull it out and pull it out. Now, as you are stepping, I want you to work on pulling your pelvis under, creating a neutral spine. As you release that band out, you're going to feel it tugging, pulling in. You're rotating through your spine, keeping it out straight in front of your chest. Very good. 2 steps, straighten and lower down. Let's do it again. Stepping out, pushing the band away, and bringing it back in.
And that is week 3 of exercises for lower back pain. You're increasing your core. So what did we do? We broke down the bird dog, lifting up our back leg. Sometimes you don't realize how much you lift your hip and it actually causes you to be off. So we really worked on utilizing that mirror, dropping that hip down. Then we added the arms with it. Then we went with that ball, using the inner thighs and rotating our legs side to side, holding it, holding that core, pulling ourselves back onto a flat back, and then finish off with that resistance band. And I want to make sure you felt as that resistance band was coming forward, it wants to pull your body, so you're using your back, using your core to keep yourself center. And that is it, you guys. There you go. Those are more exercises that you can do in this progression that you're doing with me. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit subscribe, and then here is going to be your next video. Leave comments, what you liked, what helped, anything, because I am here for you. Just as it is my journey, it's going to be your journey. So I will see you later. Bye.